Hi, my name's Dan Delrose. I'm a dentist in Ellington, Florida. It's near Sarasota. And I've been using StellaLife almost for 4 years now. And I did it because a friend of mine, Mike Picos, told me to try it out. I thought it was hippie medicine or voodoo medicine. I just, didn't think it was going to work. It wasn't, chemicals and antibiotics. But it is amazing how it works. It is the number one product I recommend to my patients. Got a new associate, and he was the same way. He goes, "Why aren't you using chlorhexidine?" I did a full arch, and we used the gel on a cotton, and just finished suturing up. We put that on there. That's normal protocol now for us. He came in 20 minutes later, and I said, "This is why I use StellaLife." He took it off. He goes, "It looked like you did that surgery 3 days ago." I said, "It heals so well." But the key to StellaLife with full arch dentistry is the recovery kit. 333 is all you have to remember. And if the patients use it and are compliant, you will look like a superstar. You won't have to worry about giving them narcotics. And when they come back, whenever you do your post-op check, it'll look like you did the surgery months earlier. It's amazing healing. I highly recommend StellaLife.